The reason why I picked Harness projects, there's so many good positive points about it. I think the value for money compared to the other boot camps, the number of projects that they offer, 3 client projects.
Because of the whole practical focus on projects and also giving that guarantee for getting jobs and employability chart and all of that, that was really like a big bonus because I didn't see that in any of the other ones. They seemed more theoretical.
You did a great job researching, so this is already like a UX designer on the making, doing the research before making decisions, going to check the actual user base.
And I looked around, and Harness projects was definitely, for me, it would be money well spent because you're working on a real life project, you're getting hands-on experience, you're going to build a portfolio, and that was really appealing.
Everything you do here, if you know how to leverage the fact that you have 11 people working towards the same goal, you can achieve like really good quality.